This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out our cute cow cake project. This sweet design is great for the animal lover in your life, whether it's a barnyard-themed birthday or you just are in need for some anime adorableness to cheer up someone you love. This cake is great for practicing your carving skills, and it adds a new shape for your repertoire by using the same pans you already have. It has simple painted and piped details that give you a clean yet adorable little countenance for your cow. You can easily customize this design by changing up the color scheme to make other kinds of cows or just other kinds of cute animals. Follow along with the step-by-step videos to learn it all, from filling, frosting, and carving your cake, making colors, and applying all those decorative touches and finishing details. This class can be bought as a standalone lesson, or you can get it as part of our yearly membership, plus so much more while saving a bunch. For more information about this course or signing up for yearly membership, go to www.cakedecoratingSchool.com. Hey everyone, we wanted to tell you a little bit about what paid membership to our school includes. So you'll get 12 themed project classes, one that drops each month. You could buy them separately, but you'll save a bunch by going with the yearly membership. We also do a bunch of Instagram live classes that we record and post to the platform for our paid students so that they can watch at their convenience or rewatch anytime. We like to do a lot of little companion projects for our themed classes and also some seasonal content along with some simple techniques for our lives just to help bolster your basic decorating skills. We also have what we call our foundation vault videos that include basic recipes you'll need to decorate with and also some techniques and just great foundations of cake decorating. We also have some plans to include some bonus material that will be accessible for our yearly students only. So we hope you'll check it out, we hope you'll join us, and we hope you'll have lots of fun decorating.